Alright, hey everyone. Just starting to get dark out here in this blizzard. Looks like we've got a train coming up here beside the VIA station. It's going to be coming probably pretty slow because of the wind. Wind hits gusts about 90. Not sure which train it is, but he is coming through pretty slow. It's coming out of the St. Clair Tunnel from Michigan. And here he comes. Right now we're in a bit of a holding for it's not snowing so bad now. There he is. Maybe we'll get an idea of what train it is. 3257, 3847, 3868. We've got 3 locomotives. Again, he's coming pretty slow because of the wind. I'm inside of a vehicle right now, so it's been a blizzard here all day. The highways are closed. Everything's pretty much shut down. The view we're kind of getting right now is we're a little bit blocked by the VIA station here, so we don't get hit. Whoa, there's a wind gust rocking my van. Once again, I don't know what train this is. I might hear on the radio afterwards. Just starting to get dark out. Lights are on in the building over there already. This will be the last one I'll be able to get from my vehicle. If I want to get any more, I'll have to get out and go over there, and that's going to be hard because I got to get in front of the station, which is going to be in direct wind. And those 80, 90 kilometer an hour gusts, it's quite a bit, especially when the snow gets blowing beside it and you get wraps around that building there. I haven't seen it, a little bit there, but maybe 20 minutes ago, huge gust came around the building and made a big like a tornado of snow, and it ripped right through and hit the van and pretty much rocked me really well. If I was outside, it might have knocked me right over. A few little gusts there coming around the building now. Seems to go in its moments. Slowing down, probably coming into the yard. Oh, the movement seems to be a little slower than normal with the trains. Not sure if it's to do with the high winds, or we don't have a lot of deep snow, but we didn't even get as much as what we're supposed to. They were calling for 15 centimeters at first, which is about 6 inches. We only got maybe an inch or 2, but more in some areas because a lot of it's blown away and it's in drift piles around. I know there's a pile up on the highway, both highways, 401 and the 402 here. They had a 100-car accident. They're both shut right down. There's no traffic on the highways, either one, either 402 or 401. Both closed right now. Once you get out of town and get on all those fields area, it's a lot worse. Oh, we got a truck here coming up. Hopefully he doesn't drive right beside. Good, he stopped. He must have seen that I was filming. Thank goodness. Yeah, he's really slowed down. Hopefully it's not going to be a stopper. It looks like he's on track 2. I think he's on track 2. Yeah, so obviously he's getting into a spot in the yard. Which is on the other end of town. Once he gets into his lane, he should be speeding back up. Oh, little slam stop there. Alright, I'll continue it once he starts moving. Alright, we got our train starting to move again. Getting a little bit more darker out. It's only about 5 minutes later from when I stopped it, so. You can hear those wind gusts, I think, like that. It's rocking my van around. Yeah, there we go. You can see some gusts coming there. Oof. Continue rocking back and forth in the video. It's solely because my van's rocking back and forth. I hear a lot of honking. I think that's the industrial crossing, St. Andrews over here. I don't know if there's any more trains. If I'm staying, I'll have to get out, film right around the corner over here, which would be a nightmare. Right around the bend here, I can hide from the wind, but the wind just wraps right around there and puts big snow coming right at you. And maybe it will be light enough with those lights I can zoom in from here. We'll have to see. Well, there's our end. Alrighty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe.